You kidding me? cpkc unit, alright. What a surprise. Well, hold it, we got another train coming. Are you kidding me? Train, are you kidding me? It's the end of 231. It's one big intermodal train. Well, at the end of this one, trade me with the cpkc first livery event. No, it's 93.75. The first train was CP231, the cpkc engine, the new cpkc engine from 2025. The train starts out at Montreal, Quebec, Canada, has West Chicago line where it turns to Shoei Park. That meant the Norfolk Southern. 28B with the TB. The 28B. The 28B originates in Chicago, Illinois, the 61st Street Yard, and east of Buffalo, New York, returning to the Madison Yard. Awesome train B with the cpkc, new cpkc engine on this Thursday, June 25th, 2026, from Live Trains and YouTube. You could next video. Roll it.